This is the Vertex Any Day backpack, and I have this loaded out as if I'm taking this for a day trip. And in here, as you can see, clothes are just unorganized. They're all over the place. This is just one outfit. What if I could cram all this down and still add more space for my gear? What's going on, guys? Mikey here with Mikey Daily Carry. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out a new product from a company called Aerless. So they sent over these vacuum bags that you can use for when you go traveling. How it works is you essentially load these things up and then you use this portable air pump to compress the bags, and it gives you a lot more space in your bags, luggage, things of that nature. For today's video, I'm going to be leveraging the Any Day backpack. It's not a super large backpack. It's like kind of a small, medium-sized backpack. I want to show you how much I can compress all of the clothes that are in here with this system. So we're going to be doing like an unboxing today to show you what you actually get with the items, and then I'm going to show you how it works. So in here real quick, before I dive into the Aerless products, I got a pair of pants, I got some underwear, socks, I got a tank top in here, I got a t-shirt in here, I have my Vertex Last Line Defense flannel. Essentially one outfit, right? That's what fits in here, and if I were to just cram everything, it looks like that. There's no organization. I can't put any extra gear in here. It pretty much takes up the entire bag. So I'm going to show you how it works if I were to put this in one of these packs, vacuum seal it down, and then how much space I'm going to have. Real quick, what did they send me? They sent me this luggage tag, nice bright and orange, because you can spot your things, right? So you have the luggage tag there. I don't know if this is actual leather. It feels a little like pleather. You do have an insert here for your air tags, and then you have your portable air pump. This is how it came, all right? USPS, I'm upset. Okay, they don't care. They just don't care, guys. So you have that portable vacuum pump there. It says press firmly for 1 second to turn on. Okay, is this already charged? That's the question. Oh, damn, that thing is strong. The hell, Taco Bell. Anyways, it's already charged. And then it does come with a USB-A to USB-C charger. Let's get this together. In these bags, do they come in different sizes? One. I'm not going to do it for all of these. I'm just going to show you how it works for one, because you guys are going to get the idea. You know what I'm saying? I got 3, 4. Okay. So immediately, right off the jump, I don't know the exact materials of these things, but it's very rugged, and it pretty much opens up to a size like so. And then this is where you put the vacuum pump. It goes into here, and then you press that button, and that's where it just vacuums all the air that's in the bag. You got a T pull tab right there, which seems very secure. AquaGuard waterproof zippers. So if this bag happens to get in the water, damn, that zipper's strong. Okay, if you happen to get this bag in the water, it makes it so that way it would just float. You have these 2 pull tabs right here on each side, so that way you can take it out of your luggage if so. So now that I see it, that is pretty large. I don't think I'm going to use, obviously, it's bigger than the Any Day backpack, the Vertex Any Day backpack, but I want to show you guys how it works. So are these all the same size? All right. They're all the same size. Well, this is what we'll do. I'm going to put these 3 aside, and I'm going to demonstrate how this works. Your Aerless bag comes like so. What you're going to want to do is, I think it's strong. You're going to open this up. And once you open that up, let's just start loading it. Pants, socks. Put that in here. Followed by, let's do the Vertex Last Line of Defense flannel. That's pretty thick. Put that in there. My t-shirt, my underwear, and my tank top. If I were to, boom, just keep that in there, this is how it looks. Okay, so this inside the backpack, no bueno, dude. There's just too much air in there, okay? It's not gonna work. It ain't. But, I haven't read the instructions either. This should just work. If I get this thing and I plug it into here, and I compress it, you see that? You see it compressing? Ooh, that's making it real tight. Look at that. It's suffocating. It's taking all the air. I'm gonna sit back here. I'm just gonna let it do its thing. Wow. I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. I'm sorry if the microphone's catching this noise and whatnot, but I am impressed. Okay, you guys saw all the space that it took in the backpack, right? That thing is flat. Okay, so boom, close that up. That's how much it compressed all of those clothes. And now I put that in here. Look, I could still add more stuff in here. Speaker, you wanna put a speaker in here? Fine. I got an umbrella. You wanna put an umbrella in here? Cool. Nutsack Commander with all my EDC pens. Put that in here, no problem. What else do I got? What else do I got? Oh, baby wipes. All my dads out there, you guys know what's up. Look at that. And everything I just added in there, I probably could have put in the Aerless itself and still vacuum and have so much space. But there you have it, folks. That's how that works. Okay? Right? And it still keeps the structure clean and not overloaded. So you can put much more stuff in there. Now, the Vertex Anyday backpack is not large by any means. Compared to other Vertex bags that I have, this is probably the smallest. It's just a little smaller than the Urban Ghost backpack. All the clothes that were pretty much taking up the entire cavity of this backpack was in this Aerless bag. I am impressed, guys. I am super excited to now go on my next trip and use this thing and really compress everything. Now I can get like one luggage for mine, my wife, and my kids' stuff and really compress it because there's 4 bags there. There's 4 of us right now. We got another one on the way, but we can compress the crap out of stuff and save so much space. So now opening this up, obviously you're gonna get air into it. As you can see, it are already plumped up. In looking at my things, it didn't mess it up or anything like that. Everything is intact, and immediately it goes into its normal size, and then you're ready to go. And it packs away very neat because all you got to do is fold, and then boom. You can even make it even smaller and pack it into this small little thing. So Aerless, guys, I'll make sure I put the link down in the description below. They did send this to me for review. And so there wasn't an expectation of a video though. They're not seeing this video before I release it. They're not sponsoring this video or paying me. I may have an affiliate link though, and I'll have that down below. But guys, let me know what you think. Is this a smash or is this a pass? For me, 150% smash. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And then fire down in the comments below. Let's have some banter about what you think about this. This is very much practical. My name is Mikey. This is Mikey Daily Carry. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Walk